Guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. Today's video we are going to talk about the new tool that helps to change our design approach in this era. And we know that here is evolving a lot and it is developing one by one and trying to replace our jobs. I know it can't replace our precision, right? Believe me guys, it is moving so fast. As if you are aware of the tools called Agent or Adam Cap, they're absolutely designing more. Instead of just for focusing on tools like that create game models, that mesh models, using the code and designing this type of stack models that would for manufacturing. So before getting to better explain what the tool is, uh, I want to ask something. As when you are a new beginner and when you want to design something in CAD, you might face so much of struggle and frustration, right? And you also thought that this is not gonna work, and you got with the multiple tutorials on how to design something, and you got multiple community pages that you get you something, and you don't know when you face the errors, how to fix it. And even though you are multiple tutorials, you don't know when you get the solution. You only left with the time running out, but not the solution. So in order to cover that gap, I bring this tool called CAD Assistant Onshape. Okay, this is built with help of ChatGPT, and uh, this tool was filled with a lot of CAD data. Okay, and it's specifically focusing on Onshape because this is beta version. I just want to see how well it works. And I tried it. It gives the best results for beginners and intermediate users. As a professional, we know about the words, but as a beginner, it definitely helpful for you. Okay, and we don't need to ask for any couples. So let me demonstrate a tool right here in front of you. Okay. So as you can see, it just asks you to upload an image or give the instructions. So let's design something, Paul. Uh, I'm going to ask him to by designing uh, what we wanna have. A dot curve with their pose, but we can let's give the amount and shut home should be then now wait and watch how this connect with the device. So I just simply ask it with how we design, help you with the design of Taiko. And it's variety focusing on ownership interface. The set flow, it gonna use these tools and which tools should be useful and which tool should be needed to use. So I'm going to forward here to show you how this works. And there we go. It was give me a tool. It's a toy for, but it has given its approach how to achieve the shape, but we haven't given the exact flow. So this is the wheel, and it gonna give the clear steps on how to achieve the shape as we show in the images. Okay, and if you feel like this is not you want, you can ask it with the images as well. For example, let's search for a carbon trial. Okay, let's choose a simple one to get the wash to the dose. Okay, So let's focus. Mhm. Okay, let's focus on designing this script. So I'm going to copy this image, come to the tool and paste here. And assume it I want is the exact type design to issue. Now you see the magic. It is directly. Sometimes it's going to keep the direct cumulative structures, and sometimes it might not give. First, view pro, like for example, let me show you the previous version of my tests. Okay, so this is the previous version. I just simply asked to design a fully where with Vigo and is given the steps, but does we key the images. So we just need to probe because AI just walk a focus how best answer is helpful. But if you need images, you can ask whatever you want. Okay, let's go into the previous current one, and it is currently creating an image for us. Okay, so it's already given the details stuff for us, and let's see the image goes so cool. Look at this. Okay, so previous image. Sorry. Okay, this is the view, and it's giving the three instructions, the pointed circles, exactly. Instructions, the approaches, exchanges, what kind of tools it gonna use. So it was given the exact one waterfall. Sometimes you get even it provide the extra step. Sometimes it gets stuck at specific step. Like for example, I don't know how to design this blue one, blue bar. So just ask the tool. Uh, and uh, like got no minute. Bermuda. And it is going to create detailed steps within the images as well to achieve that specific part. Just wait and watch it. And there you go, we got the results. It is showing how to start as well. Select a sketch, call the 18 mm circle in that studio and keep the freelance. See how does it is using the interface. I'm showing you how to achieve the specific part. This is how does the toolbox. Instead of just giving the final output, it helps to how to achieve the approach to the final output. Okay, it's definitely helpful for ownership beginners, intermediate users, even professional as well, just for testing purposes. As currently the tool is in beta version, it is not completely ready, but it is ready to have put to. Okay, by providing your feedback, it definitely helpful for me to completely ready, functional ready of the store. But we don't need to rely on communities, YouTube tutorials at all. You don't need to waste your time as well. You can just simply use the tool for the shapes, follow the instructions, and create whatever you want. In order to give the feedback, just give you the review GPT and submit the ratings. And I'm going to give the feedback on to the description as well. If you is uh, fill the form and do the written whatever it is person get in the comment box as well. So I'm gonna work at it and make it more clear. I hope this tool is helpful for you. This tool is especially for you who wants to learn care and despite running for multiple cavities. Just like I explained right now, this doing this definitely gives you break would simply simplify your work with skill. Okay, so we're gonna find the tool in the description. And thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing and sharing this video to your buddies who really helpful for them. Okay, that's all for this video, guys. And thank you.